for Students Innovation Council. Today we are launching Students Innovation Council for all the students from 8th standard to higher level. So this is mainly for the purpose of to extract innovative ideas from the students, and we discuss teacher to teacher and student to teacher, and if it is the best, then we project forward to the next layer. So for this program, I invite Dr. Rajan Prasad sir to give his words about the topic.
Thank you, madam, for inviting me for this valuable session. Respected teachers and my dear students, good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, so children, as we know that our nation has implemented NEP 2020. So NEP, as we know, children, it is called National Education Policy, and it is clearly emphasizing that a student should be projected with problem solving ability and out of box, and acquiring the skills such as experimentation, practical aspects, constructing certain ideas for the welfare of the members. So as we know that recently we were inflicted with the floods with our neighborhood communities, even in our school also we were facing drastic changes were occurred. This is all because of the main thing. What is that? Because of global warming, the climate change which has occurred. So we can construct certain ideas which we can try to implement to the public, or giving a kind of alarm to the public before the onset of any natural disasters. Isn't it? Anything like floods or anything like landslides which is occurring in different parts of our country, where people are affected, their daily lives have been affected. So we can create some kind of technological gadgets to give in alarm. This is one kind of idea which I can put in. Next is that you know that concern about the health. So we know that India stands number one in the number of diabetic patients, and even the children are suffering due to obesity and the other chronic diseases associated with kind of these lifestyle disorders. So we can try to implement any kind of balanced diet which we can construct, and we can suggest to the children so that they can avoid from becoming obese and incurring the lifestyle diseases also. So this is one kind of idea which we can implement. Another thing is the creative way is we can try to implement the biofertilizers. Nowadays biofertilizers are very, very important. Use of compost, manures. Already we have studied. We have already studied right from the school level. But anything other than that, any innovative way of finding out any plants which can be also as used as biofertilizers, and so that we can see that the important process like biomagnification doesn't occur. So you see that the fertilizers, even today the fertilizer, people are telling they are not using fertilizers. Fertilizers are being used, and this is highly non-biodegradable. So non-biodegradable means the chemicals do not get degraded, and slowly this harms the environment. So children in our country, we are facing a different levels of pollution. One is the air pollution we are facing, we are also facing soil pollution, we are also having water pollution. So you can create some ideas in coming days. Please project your ideas and make this Student Innovation Council very fruitful, and bring our school to the global level. Okay, children? Thank you very much for inviting me. Now I ask the students to present their ideas.